What's up, guys? So we've got another build done. This time it's a 2017 CRF450R. This came from a local buddy that actually sold us the bike used. Had an order for a trike. It fit the build. It was in the right budget for the customer, and we got the build completely done. So a couple of cool features on this build. We did put an air box for all you guys that have been just bugging me, and it's cool. I totally understand. If you're gonna trail ride, I agree, you gotta have an air box. It is what it is. I come from running an open air box on a race quad. That's just how we always did them. A lot of guys, they don't go mud bogging on these things. They're spending 15 to 20 grand on these builds. They're not gonna take them out in the mud. But for the guys that wanna ride in the mud, they wanna splash through the water, we now have an air box for the 2017 to 2020 CRF450Rs. So that's something we've been kind of working on for a little bit, and it just kind of came together on this build. So I'm gonna do a walk around. We're gonna show the air box, how it mounts, how it sits. It actually kind of goes in line with what we already have. It uses all the original mounting points on our subframe. So anybody that has already purchased a kit for, like I said, 17 to 20, you can buy this air box and throw it right on your bike, and it's gonna keep all the mud out of it. Again, I apologize to the other guys that have asked me for a while for air boxes. We're getting to the other years, so we plan on making them for all of our trike kits, but right now it's 17 and up is what we're offering. I'm not gonna keep talking. I just wanna say thank you guys for the support. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. This might be the last video before Christmas that I'm gonna make. So, and again, guys, when we get up to 50,000 subscribers, we are gonna give away a trike kit. We're just over 30,000. It's awesome that you guys got us there. Let's get it up to 50. We're gonna give away a full trike kit, ready to go, and you guys just supply the bike and our trike kit will bolt onto it. And again, that's getting given away at 50,000 subscribers. One of you guys is gonna get lucky. So subscribe, comment, like, and share all the videos, and show us some support on here like you always do. And let's keep this channel growing. I appreciate all the support, guys. All right, guys, welcome to the channel.